Assalamu alaikum. The topic of this video is the spirit of modesty. Superiority complex is present in everyone in varying degrees. This gives one courage and confidence. If a person has no ego, he will be deprived of self-confidence, and in the absence of self-confidence, no one can perform any worthwhile task. But it is necessary that one's feelings of self-confidence or superiority complex should be bound by limitations. That is, it should be reined in by feeling of modesty. In the absence of such pressure, a person will lose his utility and viability in social life. He will suffer from excessive pride. And without a doubt, there is nothing more destructive than excessive pride in this world. There are two things in this world which make a person modest. One is a scientific bent of mind, the other is being God-fearing. A scientific bent of mind results from the realization of knowledge, and a God-fearing mind is the result of discovery and realization of God. When excessive pride builds up in a person, it could be because he sees himself in relation to others, and since there are many people he finds less accomplished than himself, the feeling of ego or appreciation of his own greatness begins to grow. But one who has a scientific bent of mind in real sense sees himself and his issues in relation to knowledge rather than in relation to the person who has knowledge. A person can be limited, but knowledge is unlimited. In relation to the person who has knowledge, can think of oneself as greater than the other, but in relation to the vast world of knowledge, everyone is less in stature. This feeling naturally produces modesty in scientific or learned person. Similarly, one who has fear of God will see his affairs in relation to God, the Almighty. When one sees oneself in relation to God, everyone becomes small in relation to God. No one is greater. In this way, the belief of God-fearing man makes him a balanced person. Jazakumullahu khairan.